Hello, Capricorn. Welcome to Sitaro Ka Safar, your very own astrology channel, where we bring you detailed predictions based on your moon sign. I'm your astrologer Anbaksh, and today we're going to look into the astrological events of January 2025 and how they will impact your life in areas such as finances, career, health, family, relationships, and more. Stay tuned as we guide you through the planetary positions and help you make more informed decisions. Let's dive in. This January, your financial positions look promising, but caution is required to maintain stability. With the moon at 2 degrees in the first house, you'll feel emotionally intuitive when making financial decisions. Trust your gut. The combination of Venus and Saturn in the second house suggests that your financial resources are well managed and there is potential for good growth. However, be mindful of Saturn's restrictive nature. It favors long term planning, so focus on savings and long term investments. Steer clear of quick speculative ventures due to Jupiter's retrograde in the fifth house. Be strategic about investments, especially in stable, low risk areas that promise consistent returns. Focus on wealth building in a methodical manner. Your career shows steady growth this month. However, you'll need to make intentional, strategic moves for success. Mercury, Sun, and Saturn all point towards meaningful and disciplined work related choices. From January 10th onwards, when the Sun and Mercury align in your 12th house, it is a good time for reflection and intellectual analysis. Focusing on personal development will benefit your career in the long term. Around January 28th, when the Sun enters your first house, you'll feel more self focused. This time will highlight personal empowerment and career strategies that revolve around your strengths and values. Mars retrograde in the seventh house advises caution in business partnerships or joint ventures. It is not the best time for signing major contracts or starting collaborations. Wait until things become clearer. Engage in deep reflection about your professional goals, develop key skills, and focus on long term growth rather than jumping into opportunities impulsively. Family and relationships may face some hurdles in January, especially with Mars retrograde in your seventh house. This could bring emotional turbulence and misunderstandings. Keep calm in disputes and be extra mindful of communication. If you're facing tension in relationships, focus on resolving issues with patience and mutual respect. The moon's position in the second house after January 10th suggests a practical approach to domestic and familial matters, especially around financial discussions. Keep things grounded and avoid emotional volatility. Ketu's position in the ninth house points to possible communication problems with distant relatives, but domestic stability should remain intact overall. Be mindful of how you communicate with family members and ensure that you are clear, honest, and open to compromise. Keep family peace at the forefront. Capricorn students will see progress in their educational pursuits this month, but with a need for consistency. Venus in the third house will assist in creative and academic growth. If you are involved in any subjects that require creativity or critical thinking, this is an ideal time to develop those skills further. Saturn in the second house will remind you to stay disciplined and organized in your studies. Lack of commitment could affect your academic outcomes, but diligence will surely pay off. Rahu's retrograde might create confusion at times, but perseverance and determination in your chosen field will lead you towards success. Make sure to be focused and organized in your approach to learning. Set clear study goals, develop good time management skills, and balance academics with a healthy dose of creative exploration. Travel plans for Capricorn show mixed results this month. Rahu and Ketu's positioning indicate possible delays in long distance travel. If you are planning international or extensive travel, it may not be as smooth as expected. Mars retrograde in the seventh house warns against unnecessary or unproductive trips. Avoid trips that may disrupt your energy or add stress to your routine. Moon in the second house suggests that domestic travel could go better than international travels for now. Try to keep travel plans business focused or related to education for maximum benefit. Ideal travel time is around mid January when short productive trips connected to work, study, or personal growth align well. In terms of health, January requires some careful attention. Mars retrograde in the seventh house can cause physical strain or stress. Avoid overexertion as it may lead to burnout or fatigue. Jupiter's retrograde in your fifth house encourages a more disciplined approach to your diet and exercise routine. Consider your long term health and avoid indulging in risky activities. Saturn's influence on your second house may put pressure on bones, teeth, or digestive health. Pay attention to maintaining a balanced, nutritious diet. Be cautious about how much you push your body this month. Prioritize mental and physical balance with moderate exercise and good food choices. That's it for your Capricorn January 2025 horoscope. I hope you found it helpful and insightful. If you'd like a personal consultation for your detailed birth chart reading, reach out to us via WhatsApp. Don't forget to subscribe to Sitara Ka Safar for the most accurate monthly updates and share this video with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from these insights. Like, comment, and share. Stay tuned for next month's updates and remember, your stars are guiding you every step of the way.